Welcome to Ripcaster. We're a hi-fi dealer based in Reading and Oxford in the UK, and today we're going to be unboxing these new Linn 150 speakers. Released on the 26th of September in 2024. These are a new floor-standing speaker. There's also a 119, which is a bookshelf speaker that goes with this unit. Behind me, I've got my new Select DSM Classic setup ready to go. I've got some Linn K200 speaker cable, so we're going to unbox the speakers and set them up. Let's go. These are in black. They're also available in walnut and in oak and in white. I'm going to turn them upside down so that I can put the feet on them. So rock them over. And we've got 4 positions for the feet here. As luck would have it, the feet are in the other box. So we'll open that box first. So let's just put this one over here. Again, we'll open, and the accessory pack is on the top of this. We get a spanner and a set of stud spikes to go on the base of the speaker. We'll use these for leveling later. When the speaker is the right way up, we will level it up. So let's tip it over. Okay, so our first look at the new Linn 150. This is in a kind of a satin finish, and you can see that they've used a similar design language as on the Linn 360s. It's a 3-way speaker, so it's absolutely perfect to be driven both passively, and it can be configured for active use. So a Select can do 6 channels, and hey presto, we've got 3 channels per side. So the Select is absolutely perfect for driving these passively with a single cartridge, or fully active with 6 channels fitted. If we just rotate this through the back, you can see we've got the connections here. Again, these can be bi-wired, tri-wired, or single-wired connections. So I'm just going to connect the speakers at the back here. So we're using Linn K200 in a passive configuration, and we'll just put that one like so. And now we'll set up the second speaker. All right, same procedure as last time. We'll put the feet in. And again, move this into position. So I'll rock this over here. And we'll just roughly position these. Okay, there you have it. New Linn 150 speakers, available in black, oak, walnut and white. Perfect match for the Linn Select DSM. Hope you liked the video. The new Linn 150. We'll be doing another one on the bookshelf version of this, the 119. So check out our channel for more videos on Linn things. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.